Today I've travelled to Wellesbourne in Warwickshire. I'm outside the headquarters of the Engineering Technology Group. Shortly I'm going to go inside and meet up with Graeme Thomas, who's one of the directors here at the company. He's got some breaking news for me. Things are changing here at ETG. Some new products being added to their portfolio. Graeme, we're now into 2021. 2020 was a pretty tricky year for all, but ETG did rather well in the end, I believe.
Yeah, I don't think we can complain considering that against a revised forecast in 2020. We picked up some nice orders towards the very back end of last year, which has sort of really boosted our performance into 2021. So I think overall, considering the conditions for trading, we did all right.
Okay, now we're talking about new products and new technologies. I know you can't tell us too much about it, but what can you tell us at this stage that we're going to see coming out of the company in the coming weeks?
Well, I think what we want to do is under the current start to this particular year is we've got some new products coming through, some new technologies, which we think is really going to enhance the portfolio here at ETG. And on the basis of a lot of the knowledge we've gained from the HK technology products through EDM, we've now got some new technologies that we will be launching that is really going to make a big difference to some of our cellular project manufacturing for UK manufacturing base in 2021, definitely.
Because with the addition of HK, and I mean that introduced 3D printing, obviously very well known for turning, milling, 5-axis machining and the EDM, this next step will almost fully round the circle, won't it?
It will do, and I think we're sort of very renowned, and we've got good conventional machining applications that we're renowned for within our business. And HK brought in some non-conventional machining processes to us, and this further enhancement brings in and really expands that part of it. But it means we can really put together a large cell of conventional, non-conventional processes to a good UK manufacturing base.
Where do you fit into this, Graeme? How exciting is it for you?
It's very exciting for me, Paul, because obviously my role within the business is to look at enhancing what our portfolio could look like for the future. And obviously this new technology product is part of the projects I've been working on since my time in the last sort of 6 months for ETG, and now getting to this particular point where we're ready to go live with it. We're very, very excited what this is going to mean.
Mark, I'm told that your skill sets are going to be very important in the new products that are being or going to be provided here by ETG. What are they? What will you bring to these solutions?
Well, for the past 6 years I've been working closely with Mitsubishi on the EDM side of it, and the new products that we're looking to bring in will enhance the offering that we've got within that sector of the market.
How closely do you work with the customers that are out in the field in various industries?
We work very closely. I mean, one of the things we've always believed in is that you need to have that relationship with the customer to work closely with them, so that when they want to get the next machine, they're going to come to you because you've serviced them, you looked after them, and you build a relationship with them. So it's key to work very closely with the customers. And
these new technologies that you're going to be bringing through to the market, it's very exciting. How much of an impact do you think it will have on people looking at ETG and what you can now offer to manufacturers?
I think it's going to change the way people look at ETG, because I think we're going to open a whole new market out there and take technology to another level, and it's really exciting that what's coming through.
So keep tuned to the channels over the coming days and weeks to find out more about these new products that are going to be available here to complement the current portfolio that ETG offer.